Next up, we got Vybz Kartel featuring Sikka Rymes. Heavyweight. Let's get it, nigga. Salute, bro. What's up, YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, and I'm back with another reaction for you guys. Now we're here with Vybz Kartel, Sikka Rymes, Heavyweight. You didn't mean I say I will see a fat, sexy girl on this the cover art. You didn't mean I say heavyweight. So you don't see a girl that I talk about already, you know, people. You see me, I sang a job from yesterday, but I give some time for the fans to hear it first, and then me can match it up real quick and real proper for you see me? So people want to like that video and subscribe to my channel from the new. We are trying to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Yeah. That's the goal for this year, but we can reach 5,000 by March, don't know. Big up on yourself. Comment on this video to see your name in the next video. You understand? You can see some comments right there. So, anyways, get straight to the video, people. Like and subscribe and wait. You see, if you subscribe to the channel, guys, make sure you touch the bell and touch all notifications, because I post like 4 to 5 videos a day, dog, and it not reach nobody. You see me, I say, nah, reach no, dog, and no fun to subscribe to the thing. Like, when you just touch subscribe button, don't touch the bell. So touch the bell and select all. Big up on yourself. Right, forward.
Set you like time, then you take for me.
What?
Your body look thick, but you fit for me.
Yeah.
You make me hood stand at attention.
What?
When you take off your clothes and strip for me.
Boy, nah, Sikka Rymes, the VP boss with the girl, them already. Set good like. You see me, I say, your body big, but you fit youth. You see me, I say, same fat girl as I look on, because I think fat girl, I'm sexy girl, dog. I look on them and dog, your body just stand up, so BAM! Rocket solid, look on some girl in the dog. You see me, I say, that man I say talk about, you know, that just look on some girl. I say, look on her. But to me, still any girl me look on the pum pum. One time I look on pum pum, me now, BAM! Me know some man deal with my... Nah, I tell them wait, got you.
Heavyweight girl.
Yeah.
Brady, big breast, big bottom.
Yeah.
When me would in your title, me feel rich like it's a Amazon.
Boy, now when me put in your title, me feel rich. You see me, I say, and them kind of collaboration I'm like, you know, dog. And the man them do bar for bar, dog, or word for word. Not word for word, bar for bar, basically, dog. And you collaborate with, you do collaboration with some people, dog. You sing out the whole like first part of the song, then you have to wait the whole thing, you skip through all the song for your next artist. That's something like collaboration, go, dog. I saw it for deal with, dog. And let me tell people. Alright, go through the song, though.
The girl they are heavyweight, full of ring by your finger, full of ice, make you skate.
What?
Walk with your acid if I got try rape.
Oh, no, Addy, no, Addy. Oh, yeah, walk with acid if a man a try rape for real, you know. But I tell girl if you walk with acid, dog, you know, yeah, psst, after some girl like they offer treat. Psst, psst. Brother, you spread the whole of your bacon upon them girl, dog, and them girl that even look on your dog. Psst. And them girl that even look on you, brother. You know it in the dog, and then them come style up on the end, like, on top of that, brother, come trip acid on your dog. That never reached me in the dog, but I start talk all the things I see in the dog. You spread the whole of your bacon can pass some of them girl, dog, and not even fart on your dog. And then them want come style up on top, like, but them want bring you with acid and piss in the wackle. Nah, don't influence them, Addy. Not true.
She will lie it in 9 face. Babes, you have it locked like a prison where you never escape. And tight and sticky like a cellophane tape.
Wow. She have it locked like a prison where we never escape. What bad man, their prisoner use prison bar in them song. Who bad like a teacher? But as me I said, dog, it tight and sticky. Yo! Virgins, no even know what a cracker strike with the sound of virgins. Let me show you sometimes virgins dog going off with us all in child space in the dog. When I react to certain song in the case, so song like them and when I talk to woman, a virgin of this whole them look a child space in the dog, because they don't know what a cracker strike in the song in the dog. Hold on, I'm going to look more space over here. And ready? Ready for some more song? Like the video right forward. Ready?
So what be the back? Get your steak. Molly never cook blue jars. Get your plate. Get your. She has to make a kiss sweet to the bone. Ketchup.
Bomb clean. She has to make a kiss sweet to the bone. Ketchup. So she a big bad boy hard, brother. So she a reach to the bone, right, Addy? Dog. So she a like bumbo cleat, Masika ice cream chop video, dog. Obviously the girl must suck on the bumbo cleat. What else something in them again, dog? I don't remember what them in icicle. Man have two icicle sets of dog and 2 girls I suck on the icicle them, dog. I saw the girl them go on bad though, Addy, till them reach to the bone of the DD. I don't talk. People hear lyrics and know what a cracker strike, right? I look like the Gaza boss, like that video. Ready?
Stretch your mouth, stretch up. Babes, if your pussy good, never breathe. Catch up. Spit, man, in sickness as you get up, wet up. Baby,
nah, spit, man. Hey, you know something too bad? Well, Sikka Rymes are coming back, and more your Sikka Rymes are forward, why up and come argument? Why upon the come argument? But yo, one thing with the collaboration and stuff, I could chat boy and I say man there some video real god. Level no. Anyways, ready? Ready people, run through.
Man in sickness as you get up, wet up. Baby, see the bed pop down. Love when you boom boom that down.
Bumbo clad. Yo, I wonder, you know, bumbo now, see you know. My remember say coronavirus a girl in the dog. I want to one. Who come with them bumbo clad sex song for the girls, them dog. I breed the one the girl for breed off, brother. So hold on, yeah, within a March, right? You have April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Hey, a baby I go born December, no dog. Watch out. When you watch out, see, a baby I go born December. We don't see Sikka first one sing when him jump in, the girl am go say so. Listen what the girl am go do.
You bring chief and come, fuck she till meeting done. Me no keep man company, pum pum swell like she pumping it.
The man bring 3 friends coming in that because Sikka himself bring 3 friends them now in the dog. The whole of them 3 girl like a bring. Hey, and them go have triplets in the dog. And 9 pitting that in the December for Sikka Rymes alone in the dog. Bumbo cleat dog, no man. You too bad. You carry some bad song at them time of the year, your dog. When everybody at them yard dog. You see me I say, the corona go around there, you know, so I run enough for breed that. Breed Rona, make she go on. No, don't breed her, sorry. Don't breed Rona. Don't breed Rona. Rona. Don't breed Rona though. I don't want to share no more picnic. More she go away. Right tune.
That was when she come give me.
Yeah.
The girl pussy go numb when me come in. He love girl we blow like sea breeze. Sit up on the cocky.
Oh, fuck that. Hold on. See the floor jumping now. See the floor jumping. Go back. Me love girl up like sea breeze. Hold on. Me a teeth a flow on a Sikka Rymes in this. Ready.
Like a 2-piece.
Hold on, man.
Girl we blow like sea breeze. Sit up on the cocky then me like a 2-piece.
Well, on the dog, if she not make it and go in and go have no more Sikka dog, get up. Me tell you, so now use lyrics and be careful what you say, dog, because them girl will do it for real, no Sikka Rymes, dog. You gotta tell her if you sit down, but nigga again, you want she to name it like a 2-piece, but they know them girl love KFC already, dog. You can't tell them girl to do them something, the dog. Sikka, come on, no, man. You know them girl on a ramp when it comes to BBs. Yo! Just true, yeah, man.
They me say you tight and little. Him never fuck you good, so him must say you all a day freeze. Me put me eyes on you. Make you feel like you're not the child.
People wanna hear the flow, dog. People wanna hear Sikka Rymes slow. The man said around 3 for flow Sikka Rymes just not saying enough from the start. You did me I say? In the middle lesson and he comes out with a different flow again, dog. Oh, that man is too versatile in that dog. That well I'm not drinking in my care. The man is too versatile in the brother. Too bumbuckle belt versatile. Like I have to start the music too. You see me I say and come with 2 from if I have a fine voice. Come on, first. Oh. I'm done talk. Enough chattings. Like the video if you don't like the video, guys, and comment Gaza in the comment section. Gaza. Me wait. Yeah, man, me wait, man. Girl, so look. Alright, ready now? Alright, ready tune.
She no fuck man when shot like cheese stump. So she link sick off the bamboo. Baby,
She a fuck man when shot like tree stump. So she link Tyrekevlogs for the bamboo. I want them. I mean them link. Which Sikka Rymes? Me. Tyrekevlogs. You did me I say. Hold on there. Man a shot like tree stump. So she go link Sikka. I'm to it. Song body. I try to make something that I'm going to say something. But I start limit to what I say in my video them brother. Because I really say I chat too fast. And I make a whole heap of mistake and I wire up myself a little bit dog. And I say no. I'm calm it done. Because be a fucking chat more while than that. I'm not lying. Go through.
Love when you boom boom that down. She bring chief and come. Fuck she till meeting done.
She till meeting done. Of course that again. Go through a little bit. Go through. I see when I marry to them song people, it really matter if you reaction long again. Like, I don't know say them song you have to the whole song. Go through though.
The girl pussy go numb when me come in. The gold if you penetrate and the head that's so good that half of your educate. Under your hot temperature.
He come with the same line again. Which song we hear him say it in a dog? Atikiana. No, not Atikiana, Bombo na. That's again I'm head. Which song Adi put out dog? He must say something about the girl head good in a dog and college in a dog. I don't remember which one I sang them in a dog, but I remember I sang specific. Me do the reaction to dog. Me do the reaction to the song dog. Me do the reaction to the Bumbuckle song the dog. Bumbuckle, you tell me. Me do the reaction to the song in the dog and I say yo, The man say her head's so good, dog. I feel like almost like she go college, dog. I don't remember which bumbo cleats. What the song name, dog? And that's one song for the girls, them. Yo, I'm not going to remember it and I'll comment in the comment section. And so I just am rating on song, dog. The only thing. Remember know which song in the comment section. Run tune.
Meet your feet in a shell your belly, left it plate. Your champion body make Tyson a weight.
Yeah, meet your for dinner. Swell your belly, left it plate. Bumbo cleat. You must say, it's not my meet her for dinner. But I'm going to breathe her, dog. You don't want to play. She come for breathe. So I'm going to swell for her belly. I'm full her belly. Full her belly a day. Bumbo cleat. Yo! Lyrics. Yo, if me never did that so keen a while ago, dog, I swear I also so I have react to the thing and pause it so much and understand the man never said that. If me never do that, more to realize what the man just said that. Me eat up for dinner, so everybody left it plate. Man say I got breathe it, dog. Got you. Yes, and doggy knock him out with a straight. Right, left, hook, great. No matter who win, baby, you celebrate. Bumbo clad. Yo, one thing of the song, people. I know one thing of the song in the comment section down below. You know, so we have 43 more seconds, so I'm going to see what really going for the rest of the song. You know what I mean? But so far, song a slap. You know what I say? And the next thing, I say it from now, dog. You see the one them drop with Renee 630, dog. I listen to that song there already, dog. So I'm not going to react to it, dog. You see me? I listen to it already, dog. And you know me talk my mind on that when I do my video, them in the dog. And I not really fuck with that song there, dog. A good song and everything, but I not really like it, dog. You know me? So that's why I never do the reaction. I'm listen to it already too. I like listen to the song them for the first time I react to them. I say, yeah. That's that man. I talk when I react to things, dog. I'm not all bad thing, dog. I'm not biased, dog. You see me? I say, I'm not fake, dog. Do it the right way, make people know my mind. That's why I do video. I'm not doing it for fakeness or nothing, dog. But run through. A girl they are heavyweight, full of ring by your finger, full of ice, make you skate. Walk up, that she will lie it in 9 face. Get up here. Alright, song done. So, baby, I don't want to think. I'm saying, I know from the like the reaction, them people. I want to reach. Come in the dog, yo, like support the yard man thing, yo. Subscribe to the channel, dog. You see me, I say, the goal for the year are 10K. But by the end of March, we want to reach 5K. I'm at 4,870 right now, time of this recording. You see me, I say, so I can see what that video I got to do. You see me? I know I feel like I post too much in the dog, because I know if I post too much video a day, make YouTube not send my notification them, dog. But I know I post like 4 videos a day, dog. And YouTube will send notification for the first one, them video they're good. Then the night now I post 2 videos a night when people there them yard and now do nothing, dog. I say watch ya. Why YouTube not send not even me and get notification them, dog. No phone them I have. Subscribe to my channel and get notification, dog. So I say something wrong. And that's me and that's Uno. Me not get it either. Someone know what I go on, dog. So when you subscribe and touch the bell, dog. You see me I say, yeah. Big up on yourself. Alright. People, I have a YouTube want to get a forward, you know. He link me on the gram and say, yo, very tete. So I give him a little listen. You see me I say, what him there? Him name, alright, I don't know the name, but I go show up on the screen. You see me I say, yeah man. For me this thing like that going wrong. Yo God.
Them know ya. Them blood clot know ya.
Yeah.
Boy face gone bunch logo. We no textiling, we no clothes.
Big Bumbo class song. Go check out the song. You see me I say, go check him out on the gram. You see me I say, see the name there. In the High Life and go check him out. You see me I say, big up on yourself. It's been about a time. I'm gone now.